Hey, what's up, y'all? So I was gonna make a quick video on how to make YouTube shorts. It's actually pretty easy, but it can be confusing at first learning how to do everything. So I just wanted to make like a quick little video on how to navigate DaVinci Resolve and how to make YouTube shorts and how to make them look good and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, so when you first start up DaVinci Resolve, it's going to be right here on this tab on the bottom. You're going to want to switch it to this. This is the edit tab. This is your basically your whole timeline. I don't know what this is really. I don't ever use it, but this is where you want to be right here, the third tab. Okay, and then you go up here and you want to put like say a gameplay, for example. Here, I'll put some Rainbow Six in here. You can go ahead and put it on the timeline. And let me find a good clip. Oh, this is pretty sure this is where I got a double kill here. Yep, right there. Okay. So let's say you want to chop that. Okay, so take this out and then move it right here. Okay, so like wherever it says, okay, so this is at 25 seconds right here. So right here on the timeline it says 1:00:00:00. All right, so right here this is 25 seconds. This is 20 milliseconds. So if you're trying to do a YouTube short, you want it under 60 seconds. So like I found out that if I upload something over 59 seconds and like 20 milliseconds, that it counts it as like a regular video. I don't know why it does that, but that's just how YouTube is. So make it under 59 seconds if you can. Like edit it down to that. Here, I'll make this. There's 56. Let's go a little bit longer. That's too much. Where are we at here? Okay, 58:08. Perfect. All right. So you got your clip ready. You go here and then you go to project setting. You go here and you click use vertical resolution, and it'll automatically change it to the format on YouTube. So now it's like this. So you want to go like this and move it up one layer and copy it. And then you want to move your timeline over here so it doesn't cut off the other one. And then move this down here. And then you want to right click and unlink the clips. So see, oh wait, hold on. So see, now they're unlinked. Okay, so you delete the audio. So now you got two video sources. Okay, you put one, move your timeline here so you can see them. And then you got one that's like smaller and one that's bigger. 320 is where it should be, and then this one just stays at one on the zoom. And then you go to effects, and this is how I do all my YouTube shorts. I don't use any of these other things. You can if you want to. If you like one of the other ones, you can go ahead and use them. But I use box blur. It just, for some reason, it makes me feel like it looks better and stuff like that. So box blur it to where this part is blurred and this is like the main thing. So now you'll see, let's I'll make it bigger so y'all can see what I'm talking about here. All right, so now this is the YouTube short. See how it's blurred? Okay, now let me show you what it looks like without the blur here. Hold on, let me move this back up so I can see what I'm doing. All right, and then so okay, I'll just do this. Oh, not that. I'll put that over there. So this is what it would look like without that. It's just black on the top and the bottom, and I just personally think that it looks like, I don't know, just like the least amount of effort, you know? So it's just better to put like something on the edges, you know what I mean? So anyways, let's move this back up and then we'll put this back here. Okay. And another thing, if you wanted to say you wanted to like plug your oh, not that, say you wanted to plug your like Twitch stream or something, you can do this and go to titles and then go to text plus, and then you can put it on top of whatever you're doing and then just lengthen it out all the way in. And so like if I wanted to put my stream, I'd put like twitch.tv/the messenger. Oh, well. Like that, and then you can go here and move it up or down. I usually do it like that, and then I zoom it by going down here. And also I put it on extra bold italic, and then I'll do like, I don't know, something to like blend in with the background, I guess, kind of, or like not blend in but like make it pop, so like that, or red or something like that. Let's do red for now. And you want to go to the number 3, which is the shading on it, and then go to enable, and see how I added like a shading to it. You can kind of see it better like that. It kind of like gives it like a pop a little bit. I like that. That's how I usually do my videos. And yeah, that's basically it. All right, y'all. Well, I hope that helped you in some way, and I hope you were able to make a YouTube short after watching this video. And yeah, if you need any more advanced tips, let me know in the comments below, like what you want to see, because like I have a lot of experience with DaVinci Resolve, and if you need help with something, I can make a separate video on that. This is like a gaming channel, but I had a little bit of like experience making YouTube shorts over the years, so I thought I would make a little tutorial video. Anyways, consider leaving a like for the algorithm, and leave a comment if you want to see something. Stop by my stream. I stream all the time. Just catch me when I'm live. I also got a lot of VODs that are saved on my Twitch channel if you want to go and watch previous streams. And I also have highlights on there with funny moments and stuff like that. So a little shameless plug for my Twitch channel, but but anyways, I hope everybody has a good one, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.